Hi, I'm Ben with Apt, and today we have the LG OLED55C6P. It's a brand new OLED TV for 2016, and it's a really high quality television. So this is part of their premium UHD lineup. It is below that signature series that they came out with this year, but it is a very high-end television for LG. So starting with the look of it, it's a really nice looking TV in its design and kind of its materials that have been used. If we start on the bottom here, we have a plastic stand that has actually a piece of metal running underneath it, but this top cover part is plastic. But it's designed to look like metal. It kind of has a brushed metallic, kind of like a black stainless steel looking finish on it, and it has an OLED emblem, so you're going to know right away that this is one of their OLED TVs. So as far as the panel goes, it's actually very thin. It's maybe about the width of a pencil eraser, so it's really quite amazing how small these OLED TVs have gotten in the past few years. But if you're looking at the panel itself, there is a small bezel, pretty small. It's about the width of my pinky, that runs along the entire screen, and just a little black bar there. But overall, the picture almost goes edge to edge, so it looks really nice. So if we go to the back of the TV, you're going to see how the panel is kind of curved. So this is one of their curved TVs, but it has a similar finish to the stand down here of kind of a brushed metallic finish, but it is made of plastic. So the part that's actually the panel itself is very thin, and then the enclosure that houses the internals for the TV is about on the bottom half, and it protrudes just a little bit. So this TV in general is exceptionally thin. So whether you're mounting it on the wall or you're going to put it on a stand here, it's going to look really nice wherever you have it. So as far as inputs go for the TV, you have 3 HDMI, you have 3 USB, and one of those USB is a USB 3.0. So if you have a external hard drive or some sort of content player that's going to be playing 4K content, you're going to want to use that USB 3.0 to get that super speed port to make sure that your 4K content is delivered as fast as possible. Additionally, you also have a component, a composite, an Ethernet port if you don't want to use the TV's built-in Wi-Fi, which it does have, as well as an optical port. So that optical audio port, if you're gonna get a TV of this high quality, you are paying for the picture. So that optical audio port allows you to hook up an external soundbar or home theater system, which I'd highly recommend for a TV of this caliber. But it does come with some built-in speakers by Harman Kardon, and they aren't too bad. They're actually pretty decent for a TV of this size. But I would recommend that soundbar home theater system. So as we move on to the picture here, this is a OLED or OLED TV, which is kind of a new technology for the past few years. But well, what is it? I guess. So OLED is an organic light emitting diode. So it's a type of LED TV that doesn't use a backlight. So these pixels on this television are individually controlled, meaning they can be turned on and off. Unlike a normal TV where you have a LED backlight shining through the panel, which never really turns off. So what that allows is an incredible amount of contrast, because you're able to turn off a pixel to make it a perfect black. So this you're going to get really deep blacks, really nice looking blacks, and really vivid brights, which gives this TV kind of an infinite contrast ratio, and it makes the picture look really realistic and lifelike. Additionally, this has LG's cinematic color, which is a color gamut similar to what you find in professional digital cinema. So you're going to get really bright, vivid colors, and the picture quality is really quite amazing on this TV. Another new feature you're going to get for 2016 with this television is the OLED HDR with Dolby Vision. So HDR is a new trend we've seen this year. A lot of TVs at 2016 kind of branded with HDR, and that stands for high dynamic range, which is it's going to be the difference between your deepest blacks and your brightest brights. And this year there's a new standard that allows that difference to give you more contrast in your TV's image quality. And Dolby Vision is something that's used by movie studios and other places it's kind of an increased standard of HDR. So any content you're watching that may have been mastered with Dolby Vision, you'll be able to get the most out of it with this screen. So overall, I can't say enough about the picture quality. This is probably one of the best looking TVs I've seen of 2016. LG's OLED signature line is a little bit better, but it's also almost double the cost. So this is a very high quality image you're going to get out of this television. Other than that, it's got a lot of really cool smart features to it. So it does come with the LG Magic Remote, which is one of my favorite remotes for this year. It kind of works a little bit like a Nintendo Wii or something, where you can point it at the screen and kind of move it around, and it's going to make really navigating all your menus and typing anything in really convenient, and which is great, because a smart TV like this has a lot of different things. You have your Netflix, your YouTube, there's even an internet browser. So having the ability to kind of hop around pretty easily with that remote is a really nice feature. Additionally, it also has voice search, so you can just hold down the little spotlight button, say something into the remote and it's going to search for it really quick, and the TV is actually pretty fast at processing that voice control, so that's another great feature. This TV is also 3D, so it comes with 2 sets of 3D passive glasses. These don't require any batteries or anything, but on that Magic Remote, there is a little 3D button. You just hit that, and it'll take 2D content, make it 3D, or if you're watching 3D content, it'll make it all that much better with the glasses. So overall, this TV is a great TV if you're looking for something for a home theater. The image quality really is impressive on a TV of this size, so I wouldn't recommend it for necessarily just a casual TV watcher to throw in your living room, but if you're looking for a great TV to kind of put in a home theater setting or something like that where you want a really high-end picture, I'd highly recommend checking out this OLED model. So that's the LG OLED55C6P. Be sure to check it out in the link in the description below if you'd like to learn more, if you'd like to purchase the product. Also, if you're looking for a home theater for a TV like this, we carry those too at app.com. So app.com is a great place for all those sorts of resources and anything you're looking for your home theater system. Additionally, we have new videos coming out on TVs and electronics all the time, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on our YouTube channel.